here from A&S RV. Got a special treat for you today. We're going to do a walk around of the 2022 Salem Lite 24RLXL. Let's check it out. So we'll start off from the front here. Have our power tongue jack with our two 20-pound propane tanks, 2 battery tray. This one's going to feature your manual stabilizers with the JT strong arm. Front here we have our pass-through storage with access from the hamper, which I'll show you inside, and then under the bed access, which I'll again show you inside as well. This year they're doing a dry erase board on the one side, kind of nifty if you have activities or stuff you want, honey to-do lists. And as we go along the rest of the camper, you're going to see your campsite window there. That's from your bedroom. You have your outdoor speakers, tandem axle. There you have your furnace exhaust, and you have your cable TV hookup, and then some outlets here. Hot water heater, and then your fresh water connection there. A couple more windows on the campsite. This features the solid step, so you have your 2-step solid step there. Full-size spare with cover. Nice big window. And then you have your pre-wired for backup camera. And I point out on all of them, it has your hollow bumper. Great place to store your Stinky Slinky. Here we have the slide out, featuring the Schwinn-Tech slide system. And we got some nice windows on the off-door side as well. Both windows on each side of the side do open and close, so you can have a nice breeze in there, so they are functional. This side we have your dump station, your 30-amp marine style connection, outdoor shower with your city water connection and black tank flush, and that is the other side of your pass-through storage. Let's take a look inside. You have your rear entry door here, 24RLXL, and give you a little snapshot of the weight, 5331. So definitely half-ton towable. So as we walk inside here, we'll start off to our left. We have our couch that has storage on each side and storage above. Open up one of these doors for you. Great place to store your items. 3 windows. And then your couch. Very comfortable. And then that jackknife's out as well. And then you have storage underneath that as well. And it actually comes with these handy little totes. And moving on, we have our slide out, which has a huge U-shaped dinette that can turn also into a bed. And then to each side of the dinette, you have this huge, it goes all the way to the back storage with totes as well. Here we have our TV backer, so you can put up to probably a 42-inch, 43-inch would fit perfectly there. Your mantle is your heads for your sound system. You have your fireplace, fuse box, and we'll pander back around here. We'll take a look at the kitchen. You have your storage there. Storage down here, nice big drawers. Here's our invoice. Nice big 2-partition sink with the dish dryer there. stainless steel appliances, so you have your microwave, hood fan, 3-burner stove with oven, and then your nice big Ever-Chill refrigerator. There is your AC. So as we go from the entryway here, we're going to have your bathroom, pass-through bathroom. So you have your shower with dome light on this side. And then you have your sink, medicine cabinet, some more storage there. And you have your toilet, and you have your traditional dome light with fan there. Well, then from the bathroom we go to the bedroom. Over here we're going to have a nice big closet, storage on each side of the bed with pass-throughs for CPAP, so you have outlets on each side as well as USBs on each side. There's your emergency exit window. This is the shop I promised you. So there you can reach your outside storage from inside your bedroom, and you have more storage there for your clothes. And then this is the laundry hamper, so your dirty clothes go right in this little bag here. Keeps it away from everything else. Nice and convenient. And then the bedroom features the pocket door. And then you have your other pocket door here. And then this is the view from the bedroom slash bathroom. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope to see you next time.